Yum Corner is a fun mini-game in Season 5 that offers fantastic rewards. Honestly, we've been hooked on this mini-game for a while. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we're diving into Yum Corner and sharing some tips to clear the stages. Yum Corner. Yum Corner isn't a new game design. It's been around for a while and it's known to be super hard. But Dark War makes it more player-friendly, reducing the difficulty so we can clear the stages. As you progress to higher stages, challenge increases. Here's how it works. You move 3 matching tiles to the bar, and they get cleared. Tiles are stacked, so you must move the top ones first to reach the ones below. It sounds simple, but planning is key to clearing all the tiles. Completing a stage rewards you with stones for the seasonal structure, building speed-ups, gold, and boost ore. You'll get a universal exclusive equipment fragment and 2 power cores as the perfect clear rewards if you clear a stage without using power items. The universal fragment is highly valuable for ascending exclusive equipment. So, aim for perfect clears without using any item. You can retry as many times as needed. If you skip a stage without a perfect clear, the perfect clear rewards for that stage are gone forever. Tip 1: Stacked tiles. In some stages, we can find stacked tiles like this in stage 18. Unlike the semi-stacked tiles, we don't know what is underneath them. We can't plan properly due to the unknown tile. Thus, we must prioritize clearing these stacked tiles for better planning. For example, we have multiple seaweed tiles ready for matching, but we hold them off. Instead, clear the green tea tile to reveal the tempura tile beneath it. Then clear the tempura on the stacked tile first. Later, when you see a seaweed tile on the stack, you can clear it instantly because you have saved some seaweed tiles. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Tip 2: Non-stacked tiles. If an open tile isn't stacked, like this rice tile, you should keep it there. Non-stacked tiles don't block anything below, so leaving them gives you more options for matches. For example, we have a non-stacked rice tile that can be used to clear 2 rice tiles on the board. However, we save the non-stacked rice tile and go for the rice tile beneath the bottle. This way, we have a spare rice tile that doesn't block anything for later use. Tip 3: Board. Sometimes, you'll need to move tiles to the board to reveal what's underneath. But don't put too much tile on the board. Try clearing them as soon as possible. If you have 4 tiles on the board, you will leave very few options for moves later. You could lose the stage easily. Tip 4: Hidden stacks. Some stages have hidden stacks. In stage 18, for example, we thought the grape tile was last, but it reveals a seaweed tile underneath it. These hidden stacks could disrupt your plan and cause you to lose the stage. But don't worry. After going through the first try, you will know the location of the hidden stacks. In the next try, prioritize clearing these areas, just as you would when clearing the stacked tiles. When the stage is higher, there will be more stacked tiles, making the stage much difficult to clear. Anyway, that's fun, challenging, and rewarding. We've been following these tips and clearing all stages successfully. If you haven't started yet, try clearing Yum Corner today. Alright, is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.